Stargazing in Austin is very popular.
People are astonished if you can show them a planet, show them a nebula, show them a galaxy.
Astronomer Stephen Finkelstein says he loves watching people look through a telescope for the first time.
I've seen people when they see Saturn through the telescope, they've seen images of it on their computer, but they can't believe it's real.
One of the best places to stargaze in Austin, 17 stories up above the University of Texas's campus.
So obviously this is the part of the dome that opens up to the sky, so this is the part that we will look out of.
Laura Eakins has overseen public outreach for UT's Department of Astronomy for 30 years.
So this computer, you will notice, is from the late 1990s.
As a student at UT, she used the same telescope.
When we were students, we were just beginning to nibble at being able to discover planets around other stars. Now we know of thousands of them.
The dome and telescope were built in the 1970s. This 16-inch telescope is one of two on campus, and the only one open to the public during the summer.
It's a very popular and beloved landmark in the state of Texas.
Stephen says a lot of his students visited the telescopes as kids.
A lot of them at some point in their childhood have gone to the observatory, and that maybe that's responsible for why they chose to take astronomy as their required science courses.
Now, the main purpose of the telescope is public outreach.
We're entirely funded by the taxpayers, and so this is one of many ways in which we try and kind of return the favor.
But that is becoming more challenging as the city develops, limiting parts of the sky visitors can see.
Even just the past 10 years, it has changed a lot. And of course, more building means more light, which means more light pollution.
Even as the city grows, Laura says the telescopes will still give you a glimpse of the cosmos.
Things like the planets, moon, some of the brighter objects like the Orion Nebula in the winter, we'll still pretty much always be able to see those.
In Austin, Eric Hendrickson, KXAN News.